Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can delete comment history on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Click on settings and privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll and click on activity center. Once you are here, you simply need to click on comment history. And here you can see my complete history. So now I want to delete, so you simply need to click here and you need to delete your comment, and after that this comment will be removed from your history. Here you can see that. So unfortunately there is no option to delete all once, so you need to open each one by one and delete that. So this is the process how you can delete comment history on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.